Hello students, in this tutorial we will learn about the do while loop, next looping statement, that is now the next looping statement that we will learn is the do while loop. We already have learned about the while loop and then also the for loop, and last looping statement in C programming language is the do while loop. Now, what is a do while loop? As we already know the looping statement and we already know the while loop statement. And the do while is something different from both the looping statements, as both the looping statement, as we already have learned, is while and for loop are entry control loops, but the do while is a exit control loop. Now, what is the difference between the entry and exit control loop? In the entry control loop, first of all, as we know, there are three main components in a loop, that is initialization, condition part, and increment and decrement part. Initialization is same for all the looping statements, but in entry control loop, condition is checked before the body of the loop is executed. Means first the condition is checked, only then body of the loop will be executed. Means if the condition is becoming false in the first case only, then body of the will not be executed anytime. Zero time execution of the body of the loop in entry control loop if the condition is false in the first case only. But in exit control loop means control of loop is in the exit point. Means control is what? Condition is in the exit of the loop. That means body of the loop will be executed first, then the condition is checked. This is the exit control loop. Means first in if the condition is becoming false in the first case, then what will happen? Body of the loop will still be executed once. Now the body of the loop is executed. Now the condition is checked, and the condition is false in the first beginning also. Even then, the body of the loop will not execute further. So in exit control loop, body is executed, then condition is checked. But in entry control loop, condition is checked, body is executed after that. So this is the difference between entry control and exit control loop. And do while is an example of a exit control looping statement. The rest of the things are almost same in all the loopings. So do while is similar to while loop, except the condition is always executed after the body of the loop. Means first body and then condition. It is also called a exit control loop. So don't forget, the condition is written at the end and terminates with the semicolon. This is only the looping statement in which after the condition part we are specifying a semicolon. There is only exception. In decision making statement we are using if else if, ladder if. Next we will do the switch statement, break, continue, go to, any statement we are doing. If we are using any condition component in any control structure, we do not specify any semicolon after the condition. The only exception is in the do while loop. Means in do while loop, after the condition we are specifying, after the condition we will specify a semicolon. This is only exception in do while. So don't forget to put up a semicolon after the condition in do while loop. And the condition is where? After the body of the loop. So what will be the difference syntax of this while loop? We will learn about this in next video. Now first let us check the flow chart of the do while loop. So in the entry point, what will, as the loop is starting, first what is happening over here? Body of the loop is executing, not the condition is checking. In both while and for loop, we are using the first checking the condition, then body of the loop was being executed. Now here body of the loop is executed without checking any condition. So it will be executed first case, whether the condition is true or false. Then what will happen? Condition is checked, test condition. If the condition is true, then control will move out to the body of the beginning, means body of the loop will keep on executing until the condition is true. So condition is becoming true and true and true. We are executing the body of the loop. Once the condition becomes false, then we will come out of the loop. So any statement after the loop we are specifying, those statements will keep on executed in the flow of program. So this is the flow chart of a do while. Now this is the syntax of a do while loop. Now in this we first specify the do keyword, then in curly braces we are specifying the body of the loop. Whichever statement we want to put up in the do while loop, all these statements will be combined over in the curly braces pair. Then what will happen? We will specify while, write a while keyword, in parentheses we will specify whatever the condition we want it to be true. So initialization will be always same as in all the other statements. Before the loop do keyword we will specify the initialization, then in curly braces body of the loop. After the body of the loop, any statement we want to execute, after the body of the loop we will specify the increment or decrement part. This is same in while or do while. Then the difference is while was put up in the beginning in the while loop, but in do while it is in the end. After the while condition, then we have put up a semicolon sign after the condition part. So this is a syntax of a do while loop. Let us do it with an example. So hash include, let us do this example. Hash include stdio dot h, hash include ponyo dot h, void main int I equals to 0. This is same as we are doing in other statements. Now we will specify do part, do we are using the same statements as we have done in previous. Percentage d with the value of I, we will print the I. Here we must put up a space so that every time value of I will be separated. Now what should we do? I plus plus. Then here what should we do? We should specify a while condition. While I is less than equals to 5, then semicolon. We are putting a get ch over here, semicolon. Let us execute it. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This will be the output as in our previous example. Is it? We already have done the syntax. This is all about the while loop. This is an example of a while loop as we have done it in our pre-example coding part. I is 0, printf I plus plus I is less than equals to 5. We have done it in the practical also. So this is all about a while loop. Thank you so much for watching this